Come on, dude, we gotta do a video. Camera's on. Let's do a vlog or something.
I'm sick, Adam.
We have to do something.
I'm sick!
Yeah, you didn't do anything yesterday.
I want help. I had a few beers.
Here.
You can't force me to fucking do things.
I think I can. I think I can. Here, this will help you out a little bit. Take this. There you go. There he is. Hey, where's that peanut butter Yeezy from the other day?
Why?
If I'm taking over the vlog, I gotta talk about something. It's been on my mind a little bit. Where is it?
It's on my desk in the room. We're not vlogging today, bro.
Yes, we are. Oh, there it is. Okay. How'd you clean this thing?
What?
How'd you clean this thing? Doesn't your downstairs roommate have a peanut allergy?
Yeah, that's why it's upstairs.
Right, but you cleaned it in what? The washer?
Machine. Oh, fuck.
Dude.
Oh, fuck. You're right. Is that bad?
Yeah.
Fuck.
That's gonna be all over her clothes.
Do you think that's gonna happen?
Probably.
When did you think about that? Why didn't you text me?
It just popped in my mind.
Should we go check on her?
Oh god, I don't want to find a dead body.
I don't know. I'm not touching that, bro. Why didn't you text me about that?
We'll do that after.
All right, well, back in action. We're back in the action, boys. We may as well film a video. I'm a little hungover today, man. I'm actually dying. However, let's make up some content. I didn't think about what we're doing in this video, but I got one idea real quick.
Always thinking.
You know what I mean? Notification squad, where you at? NameBran, ah, fuck!
What the hell was that?
Jesus, it's a fucking gun up there. Alright boys, sorry for this shitty vlog style. I'm really not planning on filming today. However, we just came up with an idea behind the camera. What do you guys think about another dumpster diving video? High fashion style.
Theft, if you will.
It's not theft if it's in the dumpster. Homeless people do it all the time.
You're stealing from the homeless people then.
Oh shit, interesting.
Yeah,
Wow.
sorry.
Anyway, boys, before we get into that, because it's a little cold outside, I want to wait to warm up inside a little bit. We got a dope little package. Now this is a little spur of the moment unboxing. I wanted to make a video about this, however, it would get demonetized so fast, so we're not gonna do that. But we're just gonna show you guys what's in these packages. I'm not gonna say where I got them from. It's very self-explanatory. This one we got right here, which I cannot wait to rock. Fruit of the Loom, fuck! Is that not a problem to you?
That's
a horrible fit.
disgusting.
Anyway, we got this off a website, which I think is really sick. Once again, I'm gonna make a dope video about
I like that white splatter effect they got on it.
Yeah, some white paint, if you will. Very dope logo, though. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Very stoked to wear that. Another one we have right here. I'm glad today's the day to unbox this stuff, boys. You guys let me know down below what you think about this merch that we just got. Got another one right here, Ghostbuster. It's like Yeezy Buster's merch, how it should look. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
The big booby bitch himself. Anyway, very sick. Can't wait to rock these. What's this made on? Spreadshirt, which is also so shit.
Yeah, those are just like the basic online create your own
Quick little
t-shirt.
unboxing for y'all before we get into this video. Honestly, it's gonna be lit because I want to tell you guys right now, the place that we thought that we would go to sells a lot of Gucci and like a lot of high-end shit. And it's in like some sort of strip mall. So we're gonna probably call it for this video like dumpster diving Gucci or some shit like that. But they have like a lot of Gucci. If you guys haven't seen our other dumpster diving videos, we've done Nike outlet, we've done a whole lot. Foot Locker, we usually find stuff. And if we don't find stuff, we usually don't post a video. But I think it could be hype. Imagine finding like a Gucci bag for the girlfriend that you no longer have.
Ha!
He dumped his girl.
Nice,
dude.
Oh,
I was gonna.
You're gonna blast her online? Okay.
I was gonna blast her online. I'm not gonna say it.
Jay, shut the fuck.
Anyway, that's the merch, boys. You guys let me know what you think about this. This is another shitty vlog with NameBran.
Is that where the music is going? Yeah. Cool. You're not gonna try them on for the boys?
Do you think the video will get demonetized if I do that?
No, do it. Try them on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, what one? I'm gonna try one on, boys.
The white paint splatter one.
Yeah, should we try that one on?
Yeah.
Alright. And then I'm gonna come back in the same position and it's gonna be on me.
Okay, I'll stay here and not move at all.
Why are you shaking the camera?
I thought you'd do some cool like lightning bolt effect to...
I don't know how to edit. Are you fucked?
Sorry.
Really? Anyway,
Sorry.
here's the shirt, boys. It actually fits so sick.
That's not bad.
Should I wear it to the club? Oh my god, do you guys want me to do a video of going to church and wearing this shirt?
That would be hype.
That would be super hype. 2,000 likes down below. We will put out that video on Sunday, I guess. So we gotta get this address for the place for sure. Why did you do that?
I don't know. I thought it'd be funny for the vlog.
That's funny. Just don't do that again, please.
Hey.
Oh, hold on. Let me clean off my shirt real quick.
My goof is funnier. Oh, grill.
Yeah? Is it funnier now?
Don't swallow it, Gabe. Get that out of your fucking mouth. Get it out of your mouth.
I like that shit.
Oh.
Alright, is that on?
Yeah.
I need one more shot, so just focus on the cup because I want to do this really cool thing where I start sipping it. Ah! Don't try that shit again, bro!
Got it all over me. Now I have to fucking change.
That's the NameBran.
Fuck you.
Boys.
It's all over your camera too, you idiot.
Oh shit! Alright, enough bullshit. We're gonna start to head out on this little task we have at hand real quick.
Eating dick?
Is that supposed to be funny? Yeah. Eating dick is what you said. How about you wash out your fucking mouth, buddy? Huh?
Fuck off.
Take your soap. Oh, it came into play. We have this little goof where we carry on those soap bars, and anytime somebody says something stupid to us at the bar, it's like, yo, how about you wash your fucking mouth out, dude? And it usually turns out pretty funny. He did it at the club the other day. To me, actually, it was so funny. Because we act like, we go to the club and we act like we don't know each other, and then we put together this scene, like, I'll come up to him, like, what, you talking to my fucking girl? And then he'll bring out the bar of soap and be like, how about you wash your mouth out?
And sometimes it'll go in the mouth.
Yeah, yeah. And we'll make sure everyone's around, and usually the crowd's just like, what the fuck? It's really funny. Anyway, let's go to fucking, let's go steal from Gucci, I guess. Alright, boys, we're on road to location. It's pretty close, so I think. Yeah. I don't know, we gotta map this real quick.
You wanna tell them how you know about this place?
Don't put me on blast like that.
Come on, tell them. How'd you know? Way
back in the day, I got caught stealing from this place. I don't know if I was arrested really because I was a kid. But
what did you steal? Tell them. Was it something like really high fashion?
It was Father's Day almost. I stole it. They had like these mugs on display. I'm like, my dad would like that. It had the Beatles on it.
Oh my god.
Way back. Now we going back to take what we deserve. You know what I mean? Ah! Oh my god! Ah!
You gotta stop doing that, man. Pay attention to the damn road.
I was definitely down. Shit!
Hey dude, what's this?
Oh, they're old. Like, what?
You told me you quit.
I did quit.
These weren't in here yesterday.
I quit.
Yeah? Yeah? Then you won't be fucking mad if I do this.
Hey! No! Adam! What the fuck? Ah, shit.
What?
This fucking same dude, man.
You see him often?
Always. He's singing the same damn song every time I come by him.
I like it, actually.
Leave! Leave! God damn. What do you mean?
Why are you so rude to him?
He just comes
doing his fucking
creepy
thing.
Looks, man. It's not cool. It's not cool at all. Alright, boys, we're rolling up on this piece. We did a couple laps to make sure that we have the right dumpster. It's kind of hard to tell sometimes. I think it's one right here. Correct?
Looks like it, yeah.
See? Show it out the window. So we're just gonna do this real quick. There's a truck right here with some guy deloading. Alright, man, this would be so hype if we found some Gucci. Leave likes down below and let me know which we should dumpster dive next. It's just fun to do, you know what I mean?
A few moments later.
Alright, false alarm, that was not the right place. So we did another couple laps. I think it's this one right here, which is really sketch because we got a car right beside it, which means this place is buzzing with employees. Alright, man, let's give her a try.
Looks good.
It's open too. Let's go, guys. Sorry if there's a lot of wind. This is a shitty dumpster for a nice place.
Yeah.
I'll go in. If somebody starts coming out, just tell me to duck, and then you just like duck.
I'll hide in there.
Get the footage out.
Yeah.
Like regardless, get the footage.
Of course. Oh, gross. Hop in. Do it. Ugh. Gross. How is it in there?
Might just be the trash. Boxes, boys.
All right. What? What?
Watch it, Dad, man.
Get out of here. Oh man. Get in the car.
Holy shit, this is too far.
Don't hop it. Do it. Dude, I'm cold. No, jump. Do it, pussy.
I don't want to do this. Go. I'm actually terrified. Adam, no, Adam, please. Ah!
You're fine. Hey, let's get in the car.
Fuck! I wouldn't say that was a complete loss because there was like Nike and Puma and shit in there.
Yeah, none of it like matched though, hey?
Well, no Gucci. Or like any sort of high fashion shit. Shit! We're gonna take a thumbnail. Get back to y'all at home. You guys let me know if that was a W or an L though. That wasn't too bad, was it?
I mean,
we found a bunch of sneakers and shit.
Yeah.
That wasn't horrible.
Yeah.
I'm just letting y'all know though, man. Dumpster dive and you can find some stuff. And it's like stealing, so it's pretty dope.
Badass.
Swipe back to home, blow. Alright, I'm back at home. I'm so sorry for that damn audio, man. There was so much wind. It was really sick though, you guys couldn't hear me talking. We found a bunch of like Puma sweaters, and we found, I think, a Nike tracksuit or some stuff like that, a bunch of slides. We found some stuff, no Gucci, but it just goes to show, man, like what if maybe they're like, oh, this Gucci purse has too many scratches on it to sell, you know what I mean? So you gave it a try. Once again, I'm so sorry for that wind. Next time I'm gonna try to get a mic that will cover that shit, because I didn't think far ahead enough. But leave a thumbs up down below if you guys enjoyed the vlog style, even though the last portion with the dumpster diving was kind of really shitty. But you guys let me know, a thumbs up, where we should go next with comments down below. We got a crazy giveaway on Instagram right now, giving away, where's the shoe? The cartoon Yeezy, if you guys saw it. Go subscribe, follow my Instagram right here, whatever, and you guys can learn how to win that giveaway. Last thing, this video is brought to you by EduBirdie or edubirdie.com. I don't know how they want me to say it. Now, if you guys are having trouble doing your homework, whatever, you're not getting the marks that you deserve, click the link down below. They got a big fat team of nerds that are gonna help you do your homework. You guys send them, or you guys, I guess, send them like your paper that you need written, and what they do is they write your paper for you. You pay them a little bit of money, but you don't pay them until you're happy with your paper. If you don't think it's gonna get you the A that you deserve, you don't pay that money. So if you guys want to go cheat, or I don't know if it's called cheating or whatever, I would recommend doing it. Their link is down below. Go get good grades so you can go on that date with that girl, join the football team, whatever. Nobody needs to know. NameBran's hooking you up with edubirdie.com. Links down below. We got another sponsorship, boys. Yes, NameBran fans real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Wild video tomorrow. Blow.